Welcome back, everybody, to a new Roblox video. Build a boat! And this is Hulk right here. He is the leader. And what are we doing today?
Well, we are going to have some fun.
Yeah, hey, you guys like our jumping? We had the same.
We're placing over 100, so
yeah, we're gonna be placing all of thrusters, like in the middle right here. Like right, I'll show you guys where we're gonna place them. It's kind of hard. Yeah, like right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna place seats around them, on them.
Yeah, on top of them.
Because we're gonna do one. Wait, are we doing them all at once or what?
All of them. Now we'll go short. We'll go off of these, and then we'll go better.
Oh, do you want only do 2 seats or what?
Wait, you're not sharing blocks with me. Go in share mode.
Am I sharing blocks?
You know how, right?
Right. How do you do that again?
Okay, go to shop, the one with the chest. Then
Okay.
go to that little, like, settings, little gear.
Okay, yeah.
And then at the top, I'll say, yep.
Oh, I can't live stream.
It's fine.
Now,
You still can't live stream?
let me place my other thruster.
Hey, if you guys want our other friend to join in, you comment down below if you guys want him to join in.
In the next video.
In the next video when we start building. Okay.
Okay, I'll place the chairs, because I'm already at them.
I got one right here. Boom.
What, how is that facing? No, you have to, here. Actually, no, I've got an idea.
Alright, I'll let you place the chairs. Alright, he said he's gonna place the chairs, guys. So, we got them facing upside down right now. So, we got these rockets facing upside down. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to press this button. Wow, look at that boat right over there. He looks like he's gonna die already.
Oh, that's kind of...
That's kind of
Well,
suck.
actually, do you want to show my boats afterwards?
Oh yeah, after this, guys, today's actually just like a fun video. Fun video. Alright, I guess I'm gonna
What
start.
color do you want the thrusters? Like the black little lines. What color do you want them?
Green. Wait, can I help color?
Okay. How bright? Like this color?
Yeah. That's good. The middle one's fine.
What I have to do for the middle one is that?
Okay, ready? 3.
Oh. Wait.
Chairs. Alright, ready? 3,
Wait, can I
2.
paint you? No, I cannot paint you.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
I forgot a button. Oh.
I'm trying to click them all at once. We're dead. We're dead. Oh, click them all. Come on, stop the jet. Okay, we're safe, we're safe,
We're
we're
not
safe.
stopping. We're never stopping. If
Okay.
we hit this wall, we're gonna plunge.
Oh! Oh, come on, stop. Okay.
Oh, my head, ow. Okay.
Here we go. Wee.
This hurts my head.
Oh. We're going through the water. Oh. Yeah, today's, we're gonna do a building video after this. Woo!
My head hurts so bad.
Okay, hold it. Okay. We got a couple more, don't we?
Wait, is there any more thrusters?
Oh, we're dead. Oh, no. You still got that one. I'm still alive. What? I was still there.
Yeah, you stay there until... Okay, now, this time let me place a button.
Okay, I got the button right here. You just place the thingies and chairs.
The lever, actually. I'm gonna place a lever. It's more balanced and it's better. In my opinion.
I got a lever right here. Is that it?
You don't... What, you do? Where? Yes. But don't place it there.
Place it in the middle?
Not yet. Hold on. Let me finish this.
Alright, jump on where you want it. Like right here.
Let me place the chairs and I'll show you. Let me go back. Let me... Now sit there. Let me see if it's right.
Wait. Nope. Okay, now just turn the other one around again. And we can just leave the lines the same way they are.
Oh, no. What?
Okay, that's fine.
Why is it white?
Okay, I'm gonna put that right there.
Put the lever? Yes. Now I'll press the lever this time.
Okay, I'll press the green button. Ready? 3.
Green button?
The start button.
No,
3.
I'll press this. I'll press this to get us right. Because I have to delete it afterwards.
Oh, no, I'm gonna press
Actually, you
the...
press it.
3,
You press
2,
it.
1.
Press it.
Whoa! Woo! Alright, guys, it's a fun video. Alright, let's see if we can get back on land. No, that's not a chance to get back on land.
Actually, before you end that off, let's use all the thrusters.
Alright, guys, we are at 60 minutes in the video already.
Okay, start a time lapse. I'll say.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna start time lapse right now. We're starting a time lapse right now. 3, 2, 1, be quiet.
This is where I say I don't need to have control. This is where I admit I don't know how to handle it. I feel all of this chaos. You're my only hope, and all that I have to offer is the white flag of surrender. So take me to the limit of your heart, lead me to wherever your love starts, to a new day, dawn, to the place you are. If you wanna take me over the edge, I'll let you, 'cause your love is where I live. Wanna be right where you are, in the middle of your heart. This is what I believe, that if I give you my everything, I will become who I was really born to be. I'll stand up and say it. Yeah, your love is something I can put my faith in. So take me to the limit of your heart, lead me to wherever your love starts, to a new day, dawn, to the place you are. If you wanna take me over the edge, I'll let you, 'cause your love is where I live. Wanna be right where you are. But now I can let it go. Yeah, I can't live, or I can't live. But now I can let it go. Yeah, I can let it go. So take me to the middle of your heart, lead me to wherever your love starts, to a new day, dawn, and to the place you are. And if you wanna take me over the edge, I'll let you, 'cause your love is where I live. Wanna be right where you are, in the middle of your heart, middle of your heart.
Alright, guys, we're doing so good so far. We're gonna restart the song. And we're gonna do... How many rockets you got left? Hawk?
13.
13? Alright, guys. We're still going to be doing the time lapse.
Actually, 10. 8. Never mind.
That's right.
Okay, we got 8. So, I put these 2 levers. So, one of us is going to sit right here. And then the other one's going to sit, like, right here. So,
Wait, what?
yeah, one of us is going to sit in the middle right here. And one of us is going to sit right in the middle. Because I'm going to put another level, like, right here.
Here, we'll just do this so it's even. Hold on. We'll just do this.
Alright,
Please.
so, I hope that was the end of the time lapse. That's going to be the end of the time lapse.
How'd you kill me?
Alright, you ready to start this? I'll pull the lever, I guess. You can start the thingy. I hope you guys are ready. Okay, that's good. We don't have to put it all green.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. Sorry, I like painting. Come on, almost done.
Very nice. You still got one whole side left.
What?
Alright, guys, there is going to be a part 2. We're at 11 minutes in the video right now.
Let's see.
Here we go.
Alright, push the start button.
Let's see.
Okay.
Ready?
Well, I can't find my thing.
3.
Let's see.
I'll just... Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, God.
What happened?
I pulled the level.
What's happening? What's going on?
Big problem. That didn't work.
Oh, this person's got insulation mode on.
Your Snapchat still
That's why.
Mickey Mouse there, right?
Hold on. Push it over.
Push it over. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Let me stand on you.
Alright,
me stand up.
alright, we're in 12 minutes in the video.
Okay, just go ahead and end it off right here.
Alright, guys, we're gonna see you in the next video. There's gonna be a fun one. It already ended. Like, there's gonna be, this was a fun one, wasn't it? We'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe in this video if you liked it. Like, comment if you subscribed. If you liked this video. Bye-bye. Like, comment, subscribe.